What's good, y'all? It's Dakari, and I'm back at y'all with another adventure. In today's video, we're checking out the National Museum of Costa Rica. So let's get straight to the video. As always, don't forget to smash that like button and consider subscribing. When you first walk inside the museum, you're greeted with a butterfly garden. There's lots of different types of butterflies and different types of caterpillars as well. They even have some cocoons that are open for people to observe. It's pretty cool. The next part of the museum escorts you to a bunch of glass art pieces. They're all associated with the mangrove trees of Costa Rica. I personally like art, so I thought it was really interesting to see the different variations of the mangrove trees. So this art installation is supposed to represent polluted beaches and how people's belongings get stuck inside of oceans and pollute the waters. Pretty interesting and really cool. These next pieces of glass art were displayed behind a jail cell. Not really sure why. It was definitely a different approach. What do you guys think about these installations? I personally think it's trying to show free as a bird. I could be wrong, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. So you guys can see all this graffiti written on the walls. These are from the prisoners that were from the 1940s. This here is a scaled model of the National Monument of Costa Rica. Clearly y'all could see old buddy wasn't having the best of days, but I guess this device was used as a form of punishment. In this room we have various gold items that kings or people of royalty would wear. And we also have the jewelry for the women. Here you can see various statues and sculptures made out of clay, stone, and cement or concrete. Now this part of the museum was probably my favorite just because there was a whole bunch of old pieces of equipment and technology from way back when. So yeah, it was just really cool to see old forms of technology. Bet y'all don't even know what half of these things are. The evolution of technology is insane. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, as always, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any other videos. That being said, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.